So, yeah, they really take the crap out of this thing. But, yeah, obviously that does not look like an original roll. Dang, what the heck? I'm gonna have to get a knife out or something. Yeah, I gotta get a knife. I'll be right back. Alright, trying not to cut myself here. Let's see. Cut away from yourself. Oh, a roll within a roll. There we go. That makes sense. Let's see what we got. All right. What the heck, bro? Okay. Sorry, suspense. I'm not gonna say the rapper, I don't care. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, 1909. It's not the S though. Let's see if we got a VDB. Yeah, we do have a VDB. Oh, very cool. That's a few dollars, maybe $5. So 1909 VDB, cool. Can't go wrong with that. Yep, you did, Winston. I mean, that is purchasable because they did make a lot, but I mean, it's still 1909 VDBs are cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go through these first, and then I'll do a quick scope. 48. And if you guys know anything, just shout out if you think you see anything, or there might be a variety. We got a 25. Looks like we got a good range of dates, though. $1913. Actually, no, I don't think I have a 1913 in my book. Let me bring up my book here. Hold on, let me check the mintage numbers really quick. I gotta find it. No, I mean, that's average date, but I don't think I have a 1913, so that's a goodie. Keep that up there. 1912. Okay, I'm looking up. 1912. They made 68 million still. It's a older date. So, I mean, so far is a good variety. 1914. 1914. Okay, older date. 51S. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. 1910. Okay, 1910. And I still made a lot of those, but we're still getting some. We're still getting a good variety of older dates. 51. Oh, it's got some luster still to this one. 1940S. That's not terrible. Not too shabby. Another 50s. Got another 1909. This could have been on the other ender, Winston. Oh, look at that. A BDB. We got two 1909 BDBs. And I think they were on opposing sides. So, yeah, we'll see what happens there. I mean, I'll take the 1909 BDBs. We have a 35. 35 is... so-so date. 26. 26. Let's look for 26 here. Oh, average date. Yeah, exactly. 23. Nope. Looking for a 1922D. There's a 24. Actually, I'm, not too bad with these older dates, though. 19, is that an 8? That looks like an 18 to me. 1918. Another 1918. Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. 37, it's common. 53. No, if it has no mint mark down here, it just means it's from Philadelphia. I mean, some can be more common than others. Looks like a 17, 1917. 1917. Apparently there's a double die obverse for this year. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it out with that. So let's see. But, I'll put that one off the side. Maybe I'll just put that off the side and scope it later. 55S. 1916. Now, I am liking that we're getting some older dates. All right, yeah, I'll take a look. We got 1920. Okay. We got a lot of the larger, a 1919S. I think that is, no, that's an average day. We're looking for, but still, San Francisco. 1920. Okay. 1911. Actually, getting some older dates. I'm liking that, but they are the common older dates. 1919. 52D. 1939. Let's look at 39. Yeah, there's a lot of those. 38. 53. 40. 5. 1. 2. 47S. 36. 1929. Where's the 29s here? No, I agree, Winston. This is actually, I didn't mind paying this much. So, I mean, I still wish I didn't pay that much, but it's better than most you see. The 28, 27. There are no silver pennies. In 1943, they made a steel penny. 4S. 46. Okay, all in all, not too shabby. I'm going to put these off the side for later. Yeah, I'll put these off to the side for later, but I want to get to the coin roll hunting. So that was pretty cool.